What is up, people? How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really well. This is the super user, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install VS Code in your Linux machine. So let's get started. So first of all, go to the Microsoft VS Code official website. The link is in my description. Then navigate to the download section. I will be downloading the .deb package since I'm using Debian. When the download has finished, go to your downloaded file directory, open a new terminal window there. Now type sudo dpkg-i and now just drag and drop the downloaded VS Code file, which will make our lives a lot more easier. Now hit enter, give the password of your machine, hit enter again. Now it will begin installing VS Code. When the installation has finished, you can just simply quit the terminal window now and the app is ready to use. Let me show you. Let me search it first. You can see it's there. Now let's open it. Now you can see my VS Code is fully functional, ready to go and ready to write some code on. If you find some difficulties or issues while downloading or installing the program or have some questions, drop them down below in the comment section. I will try to answer all of your comments. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and I will see you in another video.